Join me as I highlight the premium adjustable X-Banner stand, what Frontline calls the Naples. If you haven't already, this is your chance to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. We would love for you to share the knowledge. Send this to your coworkers, customers, and friends within the industry. Now, let's get to it. Although premium in the X-Banner category, the Naples is still a low-cost item that makes it suitable for widespread rollouts. With a 3-point adjustable feature, the Naples allows for several different graphic size combinations. You can use with a graphic that's as small as 18 by 72 inches and as large as 42 by 86 inches and anything in between. This adjustability makes it a great product for any printer, as they can stock one product and sell it as many different options. It comes with a carry bag, appropriate for light travel, and features rubber, non-slip feet. The Naples comes with the widely popular hooks for attaching the banner that are of high quality to ensure they can withstand the tension of the banner. We recommend using number 2 grommets to ensure they fit correctly around the hooks. The Naples also offers quick and simple assembly and the option for easy interchangeable graphics at store level. Regardless of the size you wish to display, installation is very similar. We are first showing you here the smallest size, which is also the most manageable to do alone. Begin installation by pressing the button in the front of the center hub to separate the legs into an open stance. Loosen the knob on the back of the hub to kick out the rear foot and tighten when in a freestanding position. Each arm attaches to the center hub by sliding the pole into the channel. Hang the printed graphic on the top 2 hooks and allow it to unroll. Apply tension to the bottom grommets and pull them over the bottom hooks. Any adjustable or tension display product can be tricky to set up, so be patient and take your time. Often, having a second set of hands can be very helpful. Once fully assembled, readjust the rear foot by loosening the knob in the back of the hub. Once the rear foot is in a position that allows the graphic to be as vertical as possible while still stable, tighten the knob to secure it into place. When installing a banner that is larger than the smallest possible size, utilizing the adjustable features is necessary. The center hub has 2 areas that allow adjustability. The button in the front allows the legs and arms to move closer or further from one another to allow for larger graphic widths. The knob on the back side allows you to adjust the rear foot forwards or backwards to manage the lean depending on the overall graphic size. Each top arm features a twist lock that will allow you to extend the pole length to account for differing graphic heights. The larger the graphic, the more the pole will require to be extended. It is recommended that you attach the graphic without too much tension and then move to the rear of the hardware and extend the arms just enough to remove any wrinkles from the media. This product is often used in the same capacity as our Porto Economy X-Banner stand, but is especially desirable to the end user who seeks a higher quality product or one that offers more value due to its wide range of graphic size capabilities. Even the end user can purchase the graphic and hardware and reuse the hardware with a wide range of sizes of replacement graphics by simply utilizing the adjustable features. Whether you seek a premium X-Banner for the increased quality or an adjustable X-Banner for the range of options and its large graphic capabilities, you can satisfy both needs with the Naples Premium Adjustable X-Banner stand. Check us out at frontline-na.com for more information, to view our full product line, or contact us with any questions or inquiries. Bye, guys.